I don't think. Oh wow.
Car.
I live in a different direction, so I'm back that way. So I guess I'll see you guys.
Wait, I can't drive.
Why can't you drive?
Try to drive, guys. Come on.
I don't have my keys.
But you said you were driving Steve back.
I can't now.
I don't have my keys.
Where are your keys at?
I don't know.
You're supposed to know where your keys are. They're your keys.
It's raining.
But it's your car. What do you mean you don't know where the keys are?
I don't know.
Oh, God.
Figure this out. You guys need to figure this out. I'm that way. I'm that way.
Oops, sorry.
And I'm not going anywhere because I don't have keys. So
I think we should climb the
it's
wall.
raining.
I think we should climb. We're climbing the wall, people.
Gotta go to work tomorrow. No,
Well, I guess I'm driving then. Fine. Whatever.
Car, dude.